So the question is isomorphic string. So we have given two string S and T, and we have to determine if the strings are isomorphic or not. So first we understand what is the isomorphic string. So two string S and T are isomorphic if the characters in S can be replaced to get the T. We will get better understanding when we will see the example. So if we have string 1 and string 2, we have string 1 E, G, G and string 2 ADD. So we will replace the characters of the string 1 in order to achieve the string 2. So we will do one by one. So if we replace E with A, we get the string AGG. Then we replace G with the string desired string characters D. So we will get the A, D and the next is G which is replaced by the D. So we get the isomorphic string ADD. So EGG is isomorphic to ADD. But in order to be isomorphic string, we can also get string first from the string second. So in order to check that, we will replace A with the E because the desired output is E. So we replace A with the E, we get EDD and then we replace D with the G. So we get EGG. So we can see we can get string 2 from the string 1 by replacing its character, and also we can get the string 1 from the string 2 by replacing its character. We will get the better understanding after seeing the another example. So in this example, the string size is large. So string 1 is paper and string 2 is title. So we will replace P with the T. So we get the string TATER. Then we replace A with I because we have to achieve this. We have to get this I. So replace A with I. So we get the string TITER. Then T is already replaced by the sorry P is already replaced by the T. So we do not need to replace it again. It is already replaced. Then we replace E with the L. So we replace E with L, we will get TITLR. Then after that we replace R with E. So we get the string 1 and we can replace the character of string 1 to get the string 2. So this is isomorphic to the string 2. Same with the string 2. We can also see we can get the string 1 from the string 2. So string 1 and string 2 are isomorphic string. So let's see another example in which they are not isomorphic. So we have the example FOO and string 2 is BAR. So we replace F with the B because we will replace first element with the first element. So we replace F with the B, we get the string BOO. Then after this we replace O with the character A. So we replace O with the character A, but we can only replace one character to one character. Means if we have two O's, then both O's will be replaced by the same character. We cannot do like this. We replace this O with A and after that we replace this O with the R. So this is wrong. So we cannot do this. So this is not isomorphic string. In some cases, one string is isomorphic to another, but another string is not isomorphic. So we can see the example string 1 and string 2. So in string 1 DAWN, string 2 NOON. We replace D with N, we get NAWN. We replace A with O, we get NOWN. We replace W with O, we get NONN. So we can get string 1 from the string 2. So this string 2 is isomorphic to string 1. But if we see string 1 is not isomorphic to string 2 because we cannot get string 2 by the replacing character. So this is not isomorphic string. So we have to find that given strings are isomorphic or not isomorphic. We can use the brute force solution to check that string is isomorphic or not isomorphic. We will set pointers and move pointers. So there will be lot of headache. So solving this question will be easier by the help of the hash table. So in the hash table, we will store the key values. Like in example, if we see that string 1 is EGG and string 2 is EDD. So we will store the keys and the values in the hash table. So first we check into the string 1. So we will set E value with the its value A. So we have a key with value A. Next we will move the pointer to the G and we will check if this exists in our hash table already. So if it does not exist in our hash table, then we will add into this. So we will add G with its replacement D. After this we will check that this G exists in the hash table. So yes, this D exists in the hash table and its replacement is D. So we will check that its replacement is equals to the already replaced character. If it is equals to, then this is isomorphic, otherwise it is not isomorphic. So this string is isomorphic to this string. After that we will check that string number 2 is also isomorphic to the string number 1. So we do not need to create another hash table. We can check the values that they have already in the hash table or they are not in. So first we check A. Since A has already value, so we will E and the same like this. A has already value, so it has a key E. So it is not in the hash table added. D has a value not in the hash table added. So this is the basic approach how we will solve the question. So let's see the problem. So the main problem is to solve the isomorphic string. So we will create a hash table. Let me zoom it. So, so we create a hash table and we have the key of type character and the value of the type character. Then since we have given the condition that the both strings are of the equal length, then we will iterate the loop from 0 to the length of the any string. So we will get from the string 1 and we will find the original value. So we will find the original value and we will find the replacement value. Original value is from get the string 1 and replacement value we will get from the string number 2. So if we will check that table dot contains key, we will check that the original value that I have to put in the hash table is already exist in the hash table. So if the value is already exist in the hash table, then it will return true. So true and not false. So this will not execute, then this will execute. So we will check that the value that exist on the hash table on this particular key is equal to the this key or not. So we will get the mat value that is exist in the table for the particular key original. So we will check if mat value is not a replacement. We will return false means it is not isomorphic. But if this return true means sorry, if this return false, then by adding not condition it will become true and this block will execute. So after this we will check if table dot contains value equal to replacement. So if we will check that the value that replacement value is already exist in the table. So if the value already exists in the table, so the second string will not isomorphic to the first string. So we will return false. Huh? If this not exist in the table, value is not exist in the table, then we will add the value. We will add the corresponding value means original key and replacement be its value. So after this is the solution for isomorphic string. If we submit it, it will execute